What's up, traders? Welcome to live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is going to be an awesome live trading session. As you have seen from yesterday and the day before yesterday, in every session, we are connecting the dots, and you have seen how live stream is going on, how we are trading. Hopefully, if you had at least one session experience, you know what's gonna happen this one as well. Make sure you stick till the end, smash the like button before I start, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Let's quickly start with yesterday's session where I have started. Let me just replay the chart. So when I was closing the session, this current 4-hour candle was closing exactly here. You can remember, right? What did I say? That this candle, if cannot break this high, the next one is dropping. Then what happened? This is what happened. Smash the like button. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So now what happened? This is what happened. We secured a huge profit from GBP USD. We secured a huge profit from GBP CHF, but don't experience FOMO. There is a lot of opportunity in the market. Just be patient, stick till the end of this session. Make sure you don't miss any of the point of this session, because at any point, whenever there will be a trading opportunity, I will discuss. So don't miss out any of the moment. Participate in the chat section, write down what's your thought, opinion, any question. This is going to be a great session if you really want to be a successful trader, or just wanna have some fun from trading. No problem at all. This is an open playground. So let's see what you guys and girls are writing on the chat section. That's really good to see that everybody is showering on the chat section. I really love all of you. Thank you for writing. Thank you for appreciating the work. That really motivates me. So starting with Sunny. Hi Wizard, thank you for giving me the opportunity to become a member of your family. Thank you, Sunny, and also thank you for joining in this family to enrich the family, a subscriber like you. Abu Albert, sorry if I misspell your name. Sometimes I face difficulty in pronouncing name because different languages. So how this opportunity are being held? Thank you. We'll talk all about how this opportunity are being held. Thank you. Kakulan, hi Wizard. Nazir, hi, just short question about yesterday GBP CHF sell. You took it because price was a daily key level and previous daily close bearish, breaking previous daily low, week 4-hour bullish trend line break. There is a long thing. I understood what you mean, but the main thing is that monthly, weekly, daily was aligned, so I took the trade. Smash the like button now. So in the meantime, Zaber, hi sir, how are you? Alzaf, good day coach. Rizban, good evening. Rabi, good, nice to be here. Thank you, Rabi, good. Why gold up? We'll talk about it. Hi sir, how is going? Can you clarify with euro dollar? Yeah, we'll look at it. Harmony speaks. I'm so happy to see you, sir. I'm also so happy to see you in this platform. Thank you. More coffee, gold. So let's begin today's session. Let's start with some of the pairs that giving us trading opportunity. Let me first show you my takeaway, and then I will go through all of you. Ultimately, at the end of the day, we will come to the same point, because when you will analyze all the currency pairs, ultimately my takeaway, your takeaway become one takeaway. So starting with Euro AUD, that just I have posted analysis on YouTube, and at the same time this trade signal I have sent to our VIP members, because what I say, this is what I do. So Euro AUD, now let me explain why I have taken this trade and why I thought that this is a good trade. And that's how you learn and you grow. And at the same time, if you want to join my VIP team to accelerate your learning and to receive this kind of trade signal, link in the description. Discount is ending soon. if you want to trade. Today there is a high impact news release, tomorrow also news release, so we certainly will get some more trading opportunities. Okay, so don't miss that opportunity. Now Euro AUD, if we go to the monthly, first of all, to see the bigger picture, I have analyzed already today, but let me give you in-depth analysis so that you can predict the market like the wizard or like yourself. You don't have to be wizard, be yourself. Keep believing in yourself. You are better than wizard. So what you see that Euro AUD is, we saw that previous months there has been a bearish engulfer. This is a bearish engulfer, right? It's a textbook bearish engulfer. I love this kind of bearish engulfer on the monthly. Why? This bearish engulfer crossed the previous couple of months high and then closed back below as a strong bearish engulfer. Now after this bearish engulfer, as usual, the next one strongly bearish, back to back 2 months, and then third and fourth month we saw uprise. So how do you understand the flow of or direction in the market? Is from the candlestick pattern. That's only the information we have. Now what, see, if you analyze the past 4 months candlestick, what do you see? Look at the red candle, health of this candle. Okay, look at this one here, right? Now look at the bulls candle, this one here. Okay, now if you see, that's how you need to logically think instead of emotion. Let's say two guy, okay, two big guy, so they look two big guy, okay, fighting with two like this tiny guy, one guy here, okay, like this. All right, so this is team A, this is team B. Who will win? Even 3 years old kid can tell team A win, right? Because they are giant, right? So that is the secret. Now Euro AUD, if you look at this candlestick pattern, two red stronger and two green are very, very narrow and dodgy. So that means that this is basically a retracement. That's how you will understand the market. Now after this retracement, in this retracement we saw that on the monthly the price basically tested this previous resistance, support as resistance, and we saw a drop. Now at this point we can expect Euro AUD to come down at certain level because back to back 2 months it has completed the retracement. So let's see weekly time frame. Now we saw that back to back 2 dodges on the weekly. There are 2 dodges here also. So the more dodges, the stronger the movement, keep in mind. Now with that being said, daily we saw that the price basically has created a reversal pattern and then broke down. Now at this point today's candle went above, penetrated this daily level of support here in the resistance, and we saw that a rejection happened. So the price now looks like that breaking the daily. You see that this is the daily candle, and I sincerely believe that it will just continue to drop on the daily time frame as well. Now looking at the 4 hour, so this is where I found the entry. This is our TF or trend following strategy that I teach my students. Now if you wanna learn my strategies, go to the description area, join the lifetime access to learn my strategies to become an independent trader. Now this is the TF strategy, and then as soon as this price action shows us a pattern, I have sent this trading signal. So this is what it is on Euro AUD. Now Euro NZD has done the similar kind of pattern, a little bit different, but looks like that similar kind of pattern. So Euro AUD and Euro NZD. Now let me see what you guys and girls are expecting. Harmony speaks, sir, please check USD CAD. Definitely USD CAD is very, very hot. We'll check it. Dennis, big thanks, sir. No problem, Dennis. Big welcome also to you. Mariam, watching from Taiwan. Awesome, Mariam. Thank you from Sydney. Chadrick Wizard, thank you for everything. A day doesn't go by without me seeing blues of all because of your free lessons. Thank you, Chadrick. No problem. I don't keep any secret with me. I try to give from my heart everything I know. Okay, so Chris, hi coach, can we catch quick sells with euro, dollar, GBP USD and AUD USD? AUD USD sell is ready, stop is we'll do one by one. Okay, because I can't say now directly sell or buy. We'll do one by one all of them. Alexandra, hello, hello Alexandra. Virus, hello wizard, thank you. Shefali, so I see many of you really appreciating Kakulan, euro, dollar. So we have seen euro, AUD. Now let's start with euro, dollar as well. It's a very, very hot pair. Now euro, dollar, just the day before yesterday, we have secured this giant trade on euro, dollar. You remember, right? So this is the trade that we have secured 3.7 times profit. At the same time, don't experience FOMO. There is a lot of trade in the market. Now euro, dollar now coming back to another level of resistance. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and we saw that there is a resistance here on this 4-hour time frame. So let's see the bigger picture first to see what might happen. We might find another selling opportunity on euro, dollar. Could be. Let's see. First of all, the news calendar. Okay, it's very important. Today, USD news release and ADP non-farm employment change. It's a big news. There will be extremely volatile market. So this news release will be during this live session, just maybe half an hour, a little bit more than half an hour later in Sydney time 10:15 p.m. So let's see what happened in this news release, and then we might find a really good trading opportunity. But to me, looks like that euro, dollar might have another drop. Could be. Let's see what happened. So far, still not confirmed, but looks like that from the price section. It may even go up. We don't know, but looks like that level. So first of all, let's see the bigger picture. Monthly. This is the monthly candlestick. You saw that there is a big gap opening happen on the monthly on euro, dollar. Let me clean it. You see there is a gap opening, and then the price came down on this monthly zone, and then we saw now primarily going up. So let's see on the weekly what happened. Now weekly as well, the price came really basically tested this resistance, weekly resistance. Here you see there is a resistance on the weekly. Let me delete this line. So there is a resistance on the weekly. Okay, now tested as a support as we saw a bounce. Okay, now let me see the daily. Okay, so daily, as soon as the market open, you see there is even no wick at the bottom on the daily time frame. So this is what all the time I was telling in all my analysis, that euro, dollar left an imbalance in this zone. This is 4-hour time frame, and the price is likely to come back. And I think that still this imbalance, this gap not has been filled. Okay, so I think that euro, dollar is still a potential. There's a potential for dropping, because over the long term, euro, dollar is bearish. Keep in mind, it's a long-term bearish market. If I zoom out the chart, you can easily see that it's a really strongly bearish market over the long term. So what even it might do, this is daily time frame, it might even create a head and shoulder here, and then could drop, changing its trend from local up to the local down. But what I think that let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, so you see that there has been a strong impulse. This is what exactly yesterday I told when there was a live session. GBP USD euro dollar, same kind of pattern, immediately dropped from here. Now we saw the prices going up, and I think that it will just might test this 20 period moving average, and I think there is a probability of dropping euro, dollar. Okay, let's see. During this session, we will know how this one is closing on the 4-hour. That will determine actually how euro, dollar might do. What I think that it might go up first, okay, and may test this trend line. Okay, this trend line. Let me draw this one here. It may test this trend line, okay, going up, testing this trend line, could happen like that, okay, and then we might see drop and maybe further drop coming back to this zone, this vacuum that I am saying, this imbalance area, okay, like that. From here maybe we could see that euro dollar started to move up. So with all that being said, let's see how this is progressing. Looks like that it is now in the support zone here, testing as a resistance, and at the same time there is another trend line. So if we see selling opportunity, definitely we will consider selling euro dollar, though we are already running a trade on USD CAD on the sell position. If we see that the price showing something different, we are in profit already on USD CAD. Just to be so what I say is what's happening. Let me show you the euro dollar trade that we have secured. If you wanna see our result, this is what euro dollar trade, that massive trade that we have secured. You can check the result in the real-time data, in the real-time market. If you wanna join, you can consider. So this is the euro dollar trade, and these are the trade that yesterday that we have secured on GBP CHF. This is the trade with real-time data. GBP USD, we have secured a massive trade just after the live streaming, and currently we are running euro AUD and USD CAD. So if you want to join our VIP channel, you can check it out in the description area. So let's see in the meantime where I was in. I just lost the track, 1 second. So let me see euro dollar. Okay, looks like that euro dollar we might find a selling opportunity. If this is the case, then definitely euro AUD doing the same thing, maybe a selling opportunity. In that case, USD CAD could rise up, but at the same time there is a possibility of dropping as well, because CAD is very, very stronger. So euro dollar dropping means dollar is getting stronger. In that case, USD CAD could rise up, right? But if CAD is stronger than dollar, in that case, even it could go in a sideways, or it could even drop. So USD CAD also looks bearish, okay? Looks bearish, but it has already moved a lot, and we might see even a doji has been created. So let's see what happened in progression of this session. I will keep you updated all the time. Okay, so let's see what you guys and girls are thinking about it. Amient, good afternoon, sir. Amient, PKD, hi, sir. Gold, please. Yeah, we'll look at it. Wisdom do, so good to have you again, sir. No problem, Wisdom do. Thank you for that. Ibrahim, good afternoon. Check gold for us, sir. Okay, so we have quite a few request for gold, oil. Samer, sir, do you believe in trading using EM? This means expert advisor. I don't believe is a different thing, but I don't use expert advisor. I can't trust on expert advisor because it needs really human touch. Like you see that euro AUD now dropping though in the direction of our trade. You see, to analyze the market, you need a human brain. It's not maths that you can, it's not repetitive something. Okay, see, evolution created the human brain in such a way that can predict the future. Only human brain is designed to interpret the future. Okay, robot cannot do anything. Robot doesn't have a will, okay, free will, that I can say. So robot will never be able to give you the trade that you are looking for. Robot is only based on past data, and I have seen many people who lost everything using robot. Even when I started trading, some of my friends here in Sydney lost everything using robot, because robot sometimes may not follow the instruction, because if robot create a simple mistake, you are done. Okay, so I'm not fan of EA, but at the same time I'm not saying that you shouldn't trade with robot. My apology if any one of you have got success on robot, I appreciate that, but I'm not fan of robot trading. I'm a price action trader. I use my brain mind. You see Euro AUD, there's a jump to the downside. It should hit our profit target soon. If you want to join to see, you want to see on the hourly chart, it looks like that. You see the trade is going in profit. This is a real live, real live example. Some people will tell you something, there is a lot of gurus you will find will tell you, but what I say is this. You see the trade is here running and signal is here. Check it out, and the date, time, everything is here. Smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. I'm a real trader. This is a real channel. If you want to learn from the real trader, and also this is an educational channel at the same time, keep in mind. But if you want to join my VIP team to have to create a good trading account, then link in the description area. So this is what it is. Let's see what other pairs are doing and what you guys and girls are requesting. Write down on the chat section so that I know what you are after and I can serve you better. So Euro NZD and Euro GBP already we have discussed. Jonathan, good afternoon sir. Good afternoon Jonathan. So let's see. Trader Boomer, hi sir. GBPUSD, hi sir. GBPUSD, since US having high impact news, please explain me sir. Yep, we'll look at it. Euro dollar GBPUSD looks like that similar pattern. I think that we might find a selling opportunity, because after this big move the price now went above, and we might see another impulse, could be, but still I'm not saying anything. I have to see further price action. It even could go up. Okay, so let's see. First of all, let the news release, then we will see a direction in the market. Dollar yen also we saw a drop primarily. So let's see what happened, and then we will find out how we can trade. So in the meantime, let's see. GBPUSD we already discussed. Euro dollar we discussed. Euro NZD and Euro AUD I have already analyzed. We are already running trade. Very good. So in the meantime, let me show you gold. Okay, so I saw that many of you are requesting gold. Let me tell you gold, what might happen with gold. Let me delete this one. So what we see that gold, one second. So first of all, see the bigger picture, monthly time frame. Okay, so on the monthly, we saw that today the price is now rising. Let me first see the daily time frame. Okay, so what we saw that the price basically came to this level of support. Okay, exactly to this level of support. All right, and now on the daily we saw a reaction to the upside. Okay, so let's see on the 4 hour now. Okay, so on the 4 hour we have this price action is again moving in a sideway. You see gold has an extended period of time was moving in a sideway, and pardon me, what I think that, let me see what it could do, because I didn't do a good homework on gold, because gold is not giving me good trading opportunity today, so I didn't look at it. But direction, let me see the daily. Okay, so weekly. Okay, so we saw that from the weekly support, you see if you see the weekly chart, you see what exactly happening on gold. You see exactly from the weekly low, from the weekly support 1828, we saw a bounce on gold. and I don't think it will go up. I think that it will move in a sideway. Okay, looks like the sideway because there is a resistance here. Okay, and the price already went above, and I think it will come down again. Okay, daily, but it's still as I told you, still the price is in a sideway. So I'm not giving you any clear opinion on gold. What I'm giving, that I'm telling AUD looks like bearish, euro dollar looks like bearish, still not sure, we need to see price action. Okay, it could even, because on the daily time frame, see on the daily time frame, euro dollar basically came back to this. You see there is a support, and we saw that a daily candle is formed here. So even during this news release, what you could see that the price came down, broke this daily level, and then again pushing high. So for now, for a short term, we might see a selling opportunity on gold after the news release. But for gold, we might see a shorting opportunity on gold. Okay, but it's still not sure because there is a lot of pattern. First of all, you see it is approaching this trend line, so could be sell. And again at the same time on the 4 hour, we see an inverted head and shoulder is formed, could be buy. So but to me is still bearish because long-term trend is bearish. Okay, so gold is still looks to me bearish. I don't think that it will move like that. Okay, the price doesn't move like that to me. But let's see after the news release. I will advise you what might happen with gold, guys and girls. So this one is with gold, GBP USD. Let's see, let the news release. Euro dollar also let the news release. Euro NZD is bearish. Euro NZD on the 4 hour time frame, you see I love this kind of price action. Why I love this kind of price action? If you want to love with me this kind of price action, then pay attention. I'm telling you how you can identify this kind of price action for quick takeaway from the market. So something like Euro NZD, look at this pattern here. You see, this is what I have also separated strategy on this. You can watch on my YouTube channel. You see there is a support here, right? You see this is a support here on the 4 hour time frame. This is okay, and in this support, let me draw this level of support. Okay, so this is the level of support, right? Now what you see that Euro NZD, you see there is a top here, and then the price broke down. Okay, and then what Euro NZD did, okay, you see the price is creating series of lower high, and that is when you see a support and then the price is creating series of lower high. What does it mean? It means that the buyers pushed the price high and the sellers came back down to the support, and again buyers pushed the price high, sellers came back down, the buyers pushing the price high, sellers came back down. So what this mean is that every time buyers pushing, couple of buyers is getting senseless, couple of buyers just falling out of the market. So what you see, the buyers is weaker. Okay, and at some point you can see this is the breakout trading strategy. This is the symptom of breakout. So how do you know a support could be broken or could not be broken? Is from this kind of pattern. When you see on a level of support, series of lower high has been created, is a sign of support breakout. Now at last, this is the last long week candle. Euro NZD has created a textbook pin bar. This is our TF or trend following strategy. At the same time, this is also our breakout trading strategy, and I see that this is a good trade, and that's what we are running trade, but not in Euro NZD. We are running on Euro AUD, but the same thing happen in both of the pairs. So hopefully that no one, I don't think that anyone can explain these things better than me. I'm not saying that I'm doing everything for you, but I'm saying that there is a lot of value in this channel. So make sure you smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you wanna don't miss out any of the educational content that is coming. You can analyze my past analysis and see the real wizardry. That if you want to be a trader, stick to the channel, stick to this Forex Wizard Academy. The purpose of this academy is to create trading wizard. Okay, as a trader, you know, I suffered a lot in my life. I lost a lot of money when I started trading, and it was really devastating. So I feel what it feels like to lose money as a trader. Okay, and I love everybody who is in trading, because this is my passion, and by, you know, tremendous hard work, I gained something, and I wanna, you know, share it with you. That's why I'm inviting you in this academy, in this session, in this channel. So make sure you take it. When something good comes, always don't miss it, take it. So now let's see what you guys and girls are thinking about all of these things. Really good to see that everybody of you is joining this live chat. Good to see from Chinggis Khan, Noman Land. Thank you. God Power, greeting to you, sir. Thank you, God Power. Mori Coffee Gold. Yeah, we will discuss more GBPUSD. We will discuss more Raja Singh. Euro USD we will discuss more. Comment on GBPUSD. Okay, so we already discussed. Robot will blow your account. Could be pure FX. Good PM, sir. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, bro. The Wiz, hello world from Germany. DE sir, oil strategy please, and how to subscribe your VIP team. Very good. The Wiz, please go to the description area. There is a link of the website, the first link, and then you can find all the information on the website. The website link in the description area of this video. Harmony speaks, sir, please, we want to trade news with you, sir, please. Yep, definitely, that's why I'm here. Let the news release, and then I'll tell you what might happen. Sonki, hello, sir. Kakulan, gold, please. Yeah, we'll discuss more. US 30, please. Gold. Okay, Mori Coffee, pure gold. So everyone is interested on gold, GBP and CHF, GBP CAD, GBP JPY. Wow, that's awesome, guys and girls. I go gold. Okay, so I see that quite a few good requests. Very good. Thank you for all of you for joining this live trading session. So let's see on gold while Euro AUD is dropping. Again, I'm going back to gold because I saw that many requests from all of you guys and girls. So gold at this point, as I told you, let me see on the daily as well. So I still not happy to buy gold, as I told you. The gold actually did exactly according to the Forex forecast. Go back to my weekly Forex forecast. This is what exactly this pinpoint I told that gold is likely to come back to this level of support on the daily and will have a bounce, and gold did as it is. Now at this point, see, gold could blow up. Let me see the weekly, but I'm still not a buyer on gold. Though there is a strong bounce from this weekly support. See, when the price exactly bounce from the same level, you know, you see this is the same level. When the price bounce from the same level, normally it becomes a bit stronger. Okay, so it could go up, even could cross this weekly high, and then could drop. So for now, let the news release, and then we'll see what happened after the news release. There will be a lot of clarity in the market, though today and tomorrow both days are high impact news release, so both days we should find good trading opportunity. So gold at this point, let's see what happened. We'll on the progression of this session we'll discuss what might happen with gold. Okay, at this point I can't still see any significant signal on gold. Over the long term it's bearish. So why? Because you see the price action is still like this. You see like this. Okay, so when you see lower high, lower high, lower high, even it is susceptible to a drop. It is still likely to drop until we see a blowout. Okay, so let's see what happened. Gold normally does like this. Sometime you might see that a big candle going up and then coming down. Okay, so when I will see any sign after the news release or during the news release, I will definitely we'll send it to you and we'll discuss together. Okay, so let's see. In the meantime, some of you requested US 30, so let's see US 30 what's happening. Okay, so US 30, let me see the bigger picture. Monthly. Okay, so monthly closed as a doji. That's what I expected. As soon as the monthly close, so after this kind of close, I would say that US 30 is still bearish. Okay, now before it become bearish, we might see a rise up, let's say in this zone. Okay, and from this zone we might see that US 30 is dropping weekly. After this big move, we saw that the price created this bearish candle to this zone. Okay, let me see the daily. Okay, so for now, for the short term, we might see a move up on US 30. But let me see what's happening. Okay, US 30 daily. Okay, a big move, impulse, correction. We can expect another impulse maybe to this level, and then we could see drop. But to be honest, I can't see clear direction. The way only the price action we see is like that. You see there is a double bottom and then rise up, came back to this previous support, previous resistance as support. With that in mind, we can say that it's bullish, but long-term market is bearish. So there is a conflict. When I see a conflict, I just don't trade. It's simple. So what do I mean by conflict and non-conflict? Let me tell you my approach so that you know how you can approach the market. Let's come back to the same trade over and over again, because that's what I do. What I find value, I just take it full. What I'm confused about, I just leave it aside. So Euro AUD, okay, I'm coming back to Euro AUD again. Why? Because when there is a conflict, I just avoid it. So what is not conflict? Let me tell you again. So go to the monthly. First of all, multi-time frame is very important. Bearish, right? As I have already discussed, this is the monthly chart on Euro AUD. It's a strongly bearish market. After this retracement, after this doji, we can expect Euro AUD now to drop at certain level. Okay, certain level means at some point we might see an upward movement, but at this point we can expect a drop. Going to the weekly, okay, after the back-to-back two dojis, and two dojis on the weekly has created basically lower high, right? That means that seller. So monthly seller, weekly seller, daily sell, right? There is a lower high, double top, and then drop. So monthly, weekly, daily drop, right? Now let's see on the 4 hour. Go to the 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, we found a pin bar with testing of moving average and also bearish. So how many time frames? Monthly down, weekly down, daily down, 4-hour down, and price action. That's it, all down. There is no conflict. Trade it with high risk to reward ratio. Simple. Okay, now what's happening with US 30? Okay, let me go back to US 30 again. Now why US 30 looks like conflict is because if you go to the monthly, okay, it's looks like that there is a wick here, and that wick has not been tested. It might drop from here like that, or it might go up and then drop. So there is a conflict a little bit. Now going to the weekly, okay, weekly, you see there is a strong bullish candle has formed, and after this bullish candle you might see another one up. So monthly showing bearish, weekly monthly showing a little bit of bullish possibility, weekly coming down, but there is a possibility of going up. Okay, now going to the daily, you see daily looks like a bullish momentum. You see the price came back, created a double bottom, and then rose, went above, came down to the previous resistance as support. Now we can expect a rise. So there is a conflict, but the bias is down. Okay, the bias is down. The reason is bigger picture is down, but what we might see a rise up or even a drop from here, conflict. So I will keep aside. But if you are in a trade, then you need to find out how you will manage it. So that is one with US 30. So let me see what you guys and girls are thinking. Amarsana said that, sir, scalping is bad. Explain, please. Okay, scalping is not bad. Okay, scalping is good, in fact, but scalping is not bad. See, there is a lot of misconception that you need to debunk before you become a profitable trader. Why should scalping be bad? That's the question. What is the purpose of a scalping? The purpose of a scalping is to make money, right? It's good that if you can scalp, you can make quick money, right? So you see, that's how you need to reprogram your mind. The reason, see, we think that we don't know many things, that's why we lose money. Maybe the market was not in favor, there's a news release. But the truth is that the real, as a matter of fact, is that some subconscious belief plays a big role in making money. See, if you think that something is bad subconsciously, that means if belief means it's rooted in subconscious, then what will happen? No matter how good you are, you sabotage. Everyone like this. I am also like this. Let's say if I subconsciously believe that something is bad, then what will happen? My subconscious mind will resist it. Okay, if consciously I want to do something, subconsciously it will resist, and when it will resist, you will ultimately not be successful in it. Let's say if you believe that scalping is bad, okay, it's a belief inside rooted. Now you found a scalping opportunity, then somehow you will do something so that you don't become successful in it because it's bad. So scalping is not bad at all. I love scalping. The thing is that to become a scalper, you need to prepare yourself. Okay, that is the thing. You see, let's say someone went to play soccer, okay, a very aggressive soccer, and then he broke his leg and came back home, and maybe his parents said that soccer is very bad. Is soccer bad, or he was not prepared to play the soccer? Okay, soccer is not bad, he was not prepared to play it. Scalping is not bad, but if you are not prepared to scalp, then it could not be as suitable for you. So because scalping is basically needs a lot of what I can say, a lot of patience, a lot of strong there is a lot of things involved in it. So I think the news is getting released, so we'll look at it. Is at 10:15. in Sydney time. So let's look at some of the pairs what they are doing. Let's such as gold. Okay, gold and British pound US dollar. So rising means it's a good thing. During the news release, if it is rising, we might find at some point a drop. So Euro AUD is dropping. That's good for us. Let's see USD CAD. Okay, so both of our trade is running in profit. Very good. We'll talk about the scalping later. First, let me see what's happening with the news. We'll see. Let me see what happens, and then after the news release, we'll find a direction in the market. Gold looks like it's not finding. Let me see in the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, let me see. It just touched the 20 period moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Euro dollar. I think that we might see another drop on euro dollar as well. Euro JPY, Euro GBP. Let me see quickly all of them. Euro CHF, euro dollar. Let me see if we can find. I'm just a bit quiet is to observe the market, because when I talk, I normally explain everything, but when I need to observe, I just need to sometimes stay silent. So make sure you guys and girls stay with me. As soon as I'll see something that could be used, I'll definitely talk in. So you looks like that euro dollar might give us selling opportunity. After 42 minutes, this one is going to close. But if euro dollar, okay, if euro dollar cannot break this resistance, instead close below this resistance, this is 4-hour time frame, this is what happened yesterday, we might find a selling opportunity on euro dollar. At least we can expect euro dollar to drop to this support zone. Okay, so that could be a good trade, isn't it, if we find it. Let me see on the 15 minutes how the price action is forming. Okay, I think that euro dollar looks like creating bearish pattern. Okay, so this is news candle. Let me see the hourly chart. Okay, how many pip here? 5 pip. So on the 4-hour, this is the 20 period moving average. So let's quickly make some quickly take a trade on euro dollar. What I think that from here we might find a quick trading opportunity on euro dollar. Stop loss is at 1.0699. that means that the only 5 to 6 pips stop loss selling euro dollar. Okay, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So this is the trade that we are now will be taking. Okay, so this is the trade on euro dollar. 1 to 2 risk to reward, selling from 1.06945, stop loss at 1.06996, only 5 pip stop loss. So if this is only for educational purpose, it's not any kind of investment advice. If you have a bigger spread in your account, make sure you add it. Like, so stop loss is only 5 pip. So if you have, let's say 2 pip stop spread, then definitely you need to add it to the stop loss. Then in that case, let me extend the stop loss. In that case, the stop loss will be 1.0701, let's say. Okay, so take profit will be at 1.0684 euro dollar. We are selling now. It's not any kind of investment advice. Everybody need to make sure that 1% risk only. Okay, 1% risk only in the trade. So this is the euro dollar trade that we are selling on euro dollar. Okay, once the trade is open, let it run. Okay, let's see other pairs what they are doing. Okay, yeah, this is a quick trade on euro dollar, 15 minutes chart. Okay, let's see what happened. So this one is with euro dollar. Let me see, we'll come back to this one again. Let me see what you guys and girls are thinking about everything. So wisdom do GBP JPY, please, GBP CAD. So let me see GBP JPY. Okay, 4 hour. Okay, so looks like that GBP JPY, looks like that we might see a drop on GBP JPY. The price already reached at the top. If you look at the monthly time frame, you see this is the monthly resistance. Before I start this session, I had a quick check on GBP JPY, and what we see that on the monthly time frame, GBP JPY reached to this resistance. Weekly, the price already make a significant move to the upside. And let me see the daily. Okay, so what I think that GBP JPY, we might see that dropping down. Okay, dropping down to this level, because this trend line has not been tested on GBP JPY. Okay, this level has not been tested. As you can see that there's resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So this 4 hour time frame, this resistance has not been tested as support. So I think that GBP JPY might drop. Keep in mind that this is an uptrending market, but to me I think that it will continue to drop to this level, and then we might see that GBP JPY again going up. Long term, it's a bullish market, but short term, we might see that GBP JPY coming for a significant retracement to test this trend line, because this one has broken at least to this level. We can expect let me because there is a 10 and 20 period moving average has crossed on GBP JPY. Let me draw this level here. Okay, so let me go back to 4 hour again. So I think that GBP JPY, let me delete all of them, and then you'll see what's happened. So we can expect GBP JPY at least drop to this level of support. Smash the like button now, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I think that GBP JPY coming down to this level at least. Okay, so let me see you guys, what you guys and girls are thinking. In the meantime, Techie channel, good evening from Japan, sir. Thank you, Techie channel. Thank you for sharing your knowledge on trading. It is so much appreciated. Thank you, Techie channel. I really appreciate that all of you are giving support to this channel, and thank you for joining this live trading session. Anthony Davis, hello from Australia. AUS means Australia. Hello from Anthony from Sydney, also from Australia. Amar Sana, non-farm news coming. Yep, we already have, I think it's already released, so let's see, and we might see a direction slowly in the market. Tomorrow also there will be news release, so make sure you stay tuned tomorrow also. So sharing is caring. Karma, absolutely. Hassan, absolutely. Thank you for sharing your thought. Harmony speaks, please sir, we want to trade news with you. Thank you. Michael, what's your opinion on AUD JPY? We'll look at it. Sir, gold, my trading stop hit. Okay, Animesh, just be patient. There will be a lot of trade. USD CHF, coach, I make it break even. Very good. George Vitila, GBP CAD. Okay, we'll look at it. How goes everyone? Thank you. SZ Love, wow sir, you are simply different. I love you. God will bless for you. SZ Love, thank you. You are also different. You are also appreciating everybody. Thank you very much for your comment. Yes, US 30 has to fill the week. Yeah, absolutely. Sir, okay, so I saw that many of you really putting a lot of value. Thank you for all of this. So Euro AUD is almost we are almost more than 50%, so more than almost 1-to-1 profit on Euro AUD as expected, as analyzed. The price Euro NZD is strongly bearish than Euro AUD. You see that this is what it is, the real trading channel. This is Forex Wizard. So make sure you don't smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and also go to the description area to check out a VIP mentorship program where you will receive the trade signal like this one. Okay, and also you'll learn my strategy if you choose the lifetime access. Okay, then you learn my strategy as well. Make sure you choose the lifetime access. AUD JPY looks like still looks like bullish, because AUD looks like very, very strong. That's why AUD JPY looks like bullish. USD CAD also almost hitting our profit target. These two trade we have taken today. The past trade you have seen already. So the trade that we have taken today, let me give you a quick screenshot on the trade, that the two trade that just we have shown. USD CAD, okay, you see, and Euro AUD, the data is there, time, date, everything is there, and the chart is here. No one can show this kind of gold mine. So if you wanna get this gold mine, just little click away, go to the description, go to my website, join the lifetime access. Let me know if you have any questions. So in the meantime, let me see what you guys and girls are thinking. From Thailand, okay, very good. Picture Paran, I couldn't spell your name, sorry. I think it's not your name, maybe username. Rizban, Gabriel, what's your opinion on JPY pairs? JPY looks weaker, so my opinion is JPY could be stronger. Okay, so Jamal Khan, after 9 minutes news, what kind of impact to gold? Let's see, we'll discuss this. Dollar, yen, CAD, JPY. Ibrahim, what do you prefer? 20% moving average. Why did you prefer 20%, not 20%, 20 period moving average? Okay, so the reason 20 period moving average, I have a completely dedicated video on my YouTube channel. A lot of explanation clearly given. You can watch that. That will give you a clear idea why I use 20 period moving average. Okay, so hopefully that you understood now. Aussie dollar looks very, very strongly bullish. Okay, that's why we see that against Aussie dollar other pairs are dropping. So euro dollar, so let me see what's happening with euro dollar. Okay, so euro dollar, this is the just now this is the things happen. I think that euro dollar for short time should drop little bit, and that could give us some a pip on this one. So Euro JPY, let me see the 4 hour. Okay, so let me see Euro NZD, very good, nicely bearish. GBP USD, so after 29 minutes this candle is closing, right? But I think that GBP, okay, let's see GBP CAD. Okay, so some of you ask for GBP CAD. GBP CAD now trying to show bearish move, because you see there is a support here, and with this one just been bounced from this zone. So if this one closes as a doji, then we might see, because it's a long-term bearish, okay, bearish, creating a series of lower high and lower low. So so far it was retracing. Now wait for this price to create a bearish candle, and then we can say that GBP JPY, GBP CAD is going down. But on the daily, there was a big move. Now we saw a significant retracement to the upside, tested this previous support as resistance on the daily. Now after the candle close, we might see a move down on GBP JPY. Okay, so GBP CHF, as you have seen that we have secured a trade on yesterday in this live session, even you have seen that. Now we see a move down, and we might see, now you see that with this green candle, this is basically a fake move to the upside. Now GBP CHF is preparing for a drop. Okay, so GBP USD pardon me, similarly we might see drop. So gold, as I told you that I don't think that gold will rise, so looks like that now all the pairs moving down on this way. So USD CAD, so looks like, okay, if USD gets stronger, other pairs against USD, okay, dropping. Okay, so euro dollar, I think euro dollar just dropped, the one that I gave you a couple of minutes ago on the 15 minutes. It's now moving down, hitting the profit target, couple of pips. I know that it's gonna happen, so just need couple of pips. We might see now a drop on euro dollar. Okay, so this is the trade on the live stream. I told you that only how many pips stop loss, 6 pips stop loss, profit target at 1.0684. so after 2 pip you will hit the profit target, and as soon as hit the profit target, smash the like button. And this is a gift from Forex Wizard, because you spend your time, you requested to trade news with me, so I have given a short signal. Now close, you can close the trade just 1 pip away. So I gave you a gift of how many pip, 10 pip gift. So based on what account size you have, you got something from me. Thank you, and this is a gift from Forex Wizard. So let's see what happened. Now close the trade. Let's see what happened. Chidittu GBP USD sir. Yep, gold vision, Euro AUD, already Euro AUD quite a few times we discussed. As you have seen that our trade is almost going to the profit target. So please check EU Euro USD. Okay, we will discuss it. USD become weaker. Yep, good. I go gold took a dip. Yeah, thank you, coach. No problem. Alzaf, awesome. You guys and girls are absolutely awesome. Gold is now melting down. Okay, as I told you that gold is not likely to go up, as I told you, but we might see from this resistance another push up. But let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happened, and then we'll see. But we saw that gold has broken this resistance. It's kind of false breakout, and I think that we might see a drop, but still there is a couple of almost 1 hour 25 minutes for this candle to be closed. But looks like that GBP NZD, GBP is now creating a bearish candle. So GBP USD looks like that, looks like it will drop now for certain level, at least on the daily. and then we'll see what pardon me. Now at this point you see on GBP USD the price, they found a resistance here. There is a weakless candle here. This is a very strong level of resistance, support. Now has tested as a resistance, and now we can expect a drop on GBP USD. So let's see what happened. We might close USD CAD trade. Let me see what happened based on how dollar is reacting, because USD CAD looks like that we are in profit on USD CAD, and we are in profit quite a few people, almost 1 to 1. Let me see. I might close, and I might tell my BIP members to close USD CAD. Okay, so close USD CAD. So we might close with some profit on it. I also need to close it. So because looks like that, let's see what happened, but it might drop further. Let's close it because it looks like that dollar might get a bit stronger. Might get, we are not 100% sure, but let's close USD CAD and let's see what happened. Okay, we need to secure the profit. We are still running in a good profit. Euro AUD will continue to run until hit our profit target, full profit on Euro AUD. Even we might extend our profit target, because Euro AUD looks like a very strongly bearish. It's a very strong bearish. I will definitely extend the profit target. Let me see the price action, and I will definitely advise my VIP members to extend the profit target if I see significant possibility. So let's see again USD CAD. So what might happen with USD CAD? USD CAD already has created a false breakout to the upside, but the price action is a little bit of clumsy, so that's why we secured the profit on it. Let's Euro AUD run. It's on its full potential, because there is a strong support has been broken on Euro AUD and then dropped. So let's see what you guys and girls are up to on this one. Gold is moving down massively, sir. Yeah, that's what I discussed. Not massively. If you look at the lower time frame, looks massive, but still there is a possibility always to go up and down. Let's see after the candle close, then I decide what to do. Legend Coach, thank you. I believe gold could drop heavily. Could be. Don't keep anytime a strong belief. Okay, strong belief is dangerous in trading, so always keep a mild belief. Okay, mild belief means always keep room for an error. Okay, the day you will be a real trader, on the day you will know how to not to be very strongly confident in your trading. But GBP CHF looks to me that we might see a big drop on GBP CHF. We might see the price action looks to me like that. Okay, it looks like that this green is a fake out. When you see a fake out, it's a sign of bigger move. So I think that GBP CHF also will drop aggressive. So euro dollar again went up above. That's why I told you to close the trade. Euro AUD going for a retracement. Looks like AUD is very stronger, and Euro AUD certainly should be dropping. So let me see what's happening now. Let me delete all of them. Euro dollar daily. Okay, so upon this candle close, let me see the 15 minutes. Okay, let this candle, this 15-minute candle close. If this one close without breaking the high, we might see, let's see, we might see a drop, or we could see a gap opening and then up. Let's see this one, what it does. Okay, okay, after we close USD CAD, now it's coming down. Okay, let it go, no problem. Let it go, no problem. Euro AUD. Okay, good, we're getting some money on it. So let me see what euro dollar is doing now. Okay, euro dollar is pushing high. Okay, so we'll understand in the last moment, okay, what might happen. So let's find out what might happen and then we'll do. Okay, GBP AUD also very strongly bearish. Euro AUD and Euro AUD has massively now dropping. Okay, so let me extend our profit target. Let me advise my VIP member to extend the profit target on Euro AUD to this level. I think that Euro AUD at least will fall back to this level. That's what I do, you see. Because Euro AUD, if any one of you trading could, it's up to you, but I think that Euro AUD could be dropping massively. So 1.4706. okay, so move so let's do it 1 to 2 risks to reward. Okay, we don't want to miss the profit. So move 1.4724. Okay, so I do the same thing. Let's see. So it's a good one, very good. Euro AUD 1.47. That's what it is. You know, when you see a possibility, take it. Okay, that's how you have to become a profitable trader. When you see that the trade is going in your direction, extend the profit target. Okay, when you see a confusion, close it, no problem. Okay, you see USD CAD looks to me high probability it will drop, but there could be a spike because it couldn't break this low, you see. So what it might do, even it might go for another spike and drop, or it might drop from here. Okay, or some traders might think that it's a head and shoulder inverted and could start to buy and may create a upward move. That's why we closed with around 80% profit. But Euro AUD, we are continuing now for a bigger profit target. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, even I will not move my stop because at any point on Euro AUD the price could go up and then come down, but high probability that this trade will go down. It's a strongly bearish. Okay, so this one is with Euro AUD. We are extending our profit target. Gold, let me see what's happening. Okay, gold looks like it is creating a doji here. Still not closed, but the price is where it is closed. So I will keep aside now gold for now. Dollar yen, I will keep it aside because it's a long-term bullish market now trying to create a bearish pattern. So there is a conflict. British pound US dollar, it's closing this 4-hour candle. Looks to me that we might see drop on GBP USD, not massive drop, could be a massive drop, but short-term drop, okay, on GBP USD and Euro dollar. Okay, we could see a short-term drop on Euro dollar, on GBP USD, GBP CAD as well, but it might go another push up, and then we might see a drop on GBP CAD, GBP CHF. Yep, GBP CHF, GBP CHF creating, looks like that it's a fake move, and we could see a massive move on GBP CHF. Okay, the price action looks to me like that. Okay, so the reason is, if you look at the monthly, okay, this is a monthly bearish engulfer. Okay, created a lower high and then drop. Okay, so if we go to the weekly time frame, we saw that back-to-back 2 weeks bearish engulfer daily. The price went above and then started to drop. 4 hour, looks like we could see bigger move on GBP CHF, looks to me, or it might just go up again, test this 20 period moving average, and then could drop. Okay, so this one is closing after 13 minutes. Okay, we might see little up again and then could drop, but to me this green candle looks to me a fake move to the upside. Okay, so GBP NZD also strongly bearish, moving down. So yeah, most pairs we have covered. So let me see what you guys and girls are thinking. I'm almost at the end of this session. Legend course, thank you Daniel. Michael, I believe gold could drop heavily. Okay, very good. Retail Trading Academy, Coca-Cola too. I'm holding Euro AUD and GBP AUD. Very good, very good. That's it. I think that you guys and girls really enjoyed this live trading session. I have given a lot of, I tried to give a lot of value in this session, so that you have you can see the market clearly. You can see the direction in the market, like the one we did on Euro AUD today. Someday for some pairs. So today is the pair of Euro AUD. At the same time, if you want to join my VIP channel, don't miss out any more opportunity. Go to the description area. Also join my free Telegram channel for more update, and you can find a link in the description of my website where is joining opportunity. If you have any question, use the live chat to chat with me. Thank you for joining this live trading session. Don't forget to smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, so that you don't miss out any of the wizardry that I post every single day. I'll see you tomorrow in this live session. Tomorrow will be extremely crazy. 100% sure we will get some good trading opportunities, so don't miss out. Thank you.